Hello friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to pay with your credit card on the Bolt app. So once you open up the app and choose a destination, I'm going to choose somewhere. You will see the Bolt just above the select Bolt button, you will see the option that says cash, or it could say select economy. Whichever ride you choose, it will basically have that select option. But if you look to the upper left hand side, you will see where it says cash or Google Pay or whatever it is. You can click there and you can choose the card that you want to pay with. So let's say I want to pay with this card, I can select it. Once you select that, click the X on the upper left hand side and you will see that it switched to that card. I also want to show you, if you want to add a new card, you want to go there and just click and add debit or credit card, and you can select that option and start to fill in the card details there, and you can select that card afterwards, because once it is added you will see it in the list and you can select that card as a method of payment so that you can pay with that card. But all you have to do is just select the card, click the X, and that's it guys. Very easy and very simple.